Ji adek magin jokedne ratich oganda manche nomaki kitudo kod chano mahundu e kinde ng'anyo ma juma mokalo owe gi rambun ma siling gana 200. Jakedne ratich oganda goeko kamoting'o John Mulingo Anzao mong'ere kod nying mar Oledhi kaka Garang, Mark Amiani mabende ong'ere kaka Generali kod Francis Mutunge Mwangi mong'ere gi nying mar Oledhi kaka Chebukati nyocha omaki tarik 27 dwe mar auchiel ka giluchore kidhi e boma ma Mombasa. Ji adekgo owe gi rambuna kata obedo ni apisi ma jamin buche nokwayo doho mondo ogeng'negi kuom ndalo 21 ka nonro dhi nyime. Jal buche ma Kibra Masi Hauya kara kamano nomiyogi chik ni nyaka gibi gigo lipot e tesend obila ma Muthaiga wuok tich ka wuok tich.
Two, that they were non-human rights defenders based at Ruaraka social justice movement, hence were not a flight risk as alleged in the supporting affidavit. 3, that they had not been summoned by the deponent, thus could not be said to be fleeing arrest. 4, that there was no justification for the 21 days sought after in terms of a breakdown of the processes needed to be accomplished within the stated period. It is hereby ordered that the respondents be released on cash bail of 200,000 in the contact, that the respondents report to the investigating officer at Muthaiga Police Station every Mondays and Thursdays at 9 a.m. to facilitate the conduct of the investigations, that the respondents desist from utterances and activities akin to those under the subject investigations. This matter shall be mentioned on 23rd day of July this year for further direction. It is so ordered.